Welcome back, everyone. So, what's it like having a 2-week break in the middle of rehearsals? You've rehearsed for 2 weeks, you've had 2 weeks break, and now you're back for another couple of weeks. What's it like?
It's not been easy.
No.
I don't think it's been favourable, but I think a good challenge. I think it is good to be back in it and to be reminded of what we're doing.
Well, to pause something that's such a physical thing, it's difficult because it's like when you're at home and you're in your bedroom, you're not exactly going to be able to run everything that we are doing. So it's like, and then coming back into the space, it's like, is this right? Did I do that right? No. You end up just looking at each other in the eyes like.
Was it helpful for a line learn to get that without focusing on everything else?
Well, yeah, I think it's similar to what Samantha said. I think you sort of think you know your lines, and then you actually really know your lines once you actually are in the room with people.
Yes.
And I think it was good to make a start to that.
But talking about lines though, I think it was good to have like a week or 2 weeks just to kind of like consolidate everything.
Some of us.
So, looking ahead to the next 2 weeks, what do you hope to get done in that time?
Have 2 shows complete and ready to tour around the UK.
Woo!
Yes!
And whereabouts are you now then in rehearsals with both productions?
I would say we've done a stagger of Macbeth, and we are nearly at the stage where we can stagger Romeo and Juliet once we're on the rostra. And then from that point on, it's just kind of like finessing, and then we have 2 products.
What's the situation costume-wise with both productions?
I'm in a suit. Actually, we're all in suits, aren't we? Yeah,
we're all in suits.
We're all in suits, actually.
Is this for Romeo and Juliet?
Yes, that's right.
And what does your suit say, Samantha?
So it doesn't say a lot, but
I think you've got style.
of course, no. It's a lovely woolen navy suit that honestly, it's woolen. Yes, it is woolen. It's facts woolen.
When I think
It's
wool, I
so
think
shit.
this. I think
No, it's woolen.
This is
Woolen.
woolen.
That's what it's got to be real specific with. But yeah, Saoirse told me it's woolen anyways. But it's a really lovely.
Just describe what you're wearing.
It's a 3-piece suit that's woolen. It's navy, and I'm wearing a bow tie. I'm looking like I'm going prom, you know. That's what's happening with me.
Are you wearing a hat?
Yes. I am also in a hat.
Fantastic. Em, what about you?
So I'm also wearing a suit, and it's a 3-piece suit. So the jacket, the waistcoat, and the trousers. And the trousers, potentially, we're thinking of like these wide leg Italian palazzo pants.
Ooh.
wow, I didn't know that. That's
I
cool.
don't even know what palazzo is.
So we've got a bit of a theme coming in, haven't we? We're set in Italy.
Yes.
We've got these kind of families at war with each other, reminiscent of Godfatherland. Emily, how's the movement been? Are you pleased with what's happening in Romeo and Juliet?
Yeah, no, I am. Yeah, no, it's great. I think we've all got, like, through this mapping through of Romeo and Juliet, we're really getting to terms with what the intention is and what the feeling is for each bit. So we're just gonna tighten it up over the next week.
Fantastic. And Josh, you're playing the waiter in Romeo and Juliet.
I am. Yeah, I come in carrying a plate, and I see Juliet, and the plate smashes, and she notices and sees me, but then falls in love with me. Yeah.
We're
And
changing.
that's the end.
And that's
it.
how I
And that's
met
it.
your mother.
Yeah.